In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place images in a blog post in Squarespace. By the end, you'll be able to quickly add a featured image to any post so your blog looks polished and inviting. Let's start inside your Squarespace site. From the main sidebar, click Website, then go to Pages. This is your central hub for everything on your site. If you're ever unsure where to find your blog, remember that Pages shows a list of all your sections, and your blog lives right there alongside your other content. Next, click the blog page in the list of pages. Depending on your template, it might be called Blog, News, or Journal, but it's the page that holds your posts. When you open it, you'll see a list of your blog posts. You can usually spot the post titles, dates, and whether a post is published or still a draft. This list view is a handy way to manage content without diving into each post editor. Find the specific post you want to add an image to. Hover over it, then click the three dots, often shown as a small More or Options icon. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens the Post Settings panel, where you control the essentials of how the post appears across your sites, including its image. Inside Settings, select Add Image. This is where you attach a featured image to the post. You'll be prompted to choose the image file from your device. Pick a clear, high-quality image that represents the post well. A horizontal image often works best for most templates, and a moderate file size helps your page load quickly. JPEGs are great for photos, while PNGs work well for graphics or images with transparency. Aim for a clean file name that makes sense to you later. Once you've added the image, Squarespace will place it as the post's thumbnail or banner, depending on your design. That's it. You've added an image to your blog post. If you don't see the change right away in your list view, give it a moment to process or refresh the preview of your blog page. A couple of quick tips to keep your blog looking consistent. Try to use similar image dimensions across your posts for a uniform grid or feed, and consider the focal point of your image so important details aren't cropped in certain layouts. Also, compressing large images before uploading can keep your site feeling fast and responsive. And there you go. Simple and effective. You now know exactly how to place images in a blog post in Squarespace.